All right, we recording? Let's get it. Perfect. What's up, gang? It's T'Challa back in the building. It's a little moody, grayish outside, you know what I'm saying? Perfect Rick weather. We got a special unboxing that I'm gonna show towards the end. I got a piece I wanna show off first though. But anyways, how you guys doing on quarantine? You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all staying creative and doing, you know, what y'all need to do to lift your spirits. So we're gonna get right into this, starting with the first pickup, which is these Rick Owens Spring Summer 2020 Pod Shorts Tequidal collection. And mainline, got the two back cargo pockets in the back. Super extreme drop crotch. Gives you the Dr. Booty effect, but hey, that's the look, you dig? I actually don't mind it. I like the long drawstrings that are mad extended. You know what I'm saying? This is a size 46 that I got. Got the card of authentication along with it. Came, you know what I'm saying? Spring, hold on.
3 hours later.
There we go. Spring Summer 20 Tequidal collection. And yeah, size
3 hours later.
46. And yeah, came with this card, came with the extra button. And you know, your typical Rick Owens card here that tells you pretty much this product was created for you with specially developed and treated materials, the use of which often means that no two products are exactly alike, giving each its individual uniqueness. Oh, also, I don't know, you know, got my hair out today, you know what I'm saying? Got the Rick tank on today. Thought I had to interrupt this for a little bit, because you know, it's a Rick day today. Big Rick day today. There was a kind of a story with these shorts. I actually purchased these. They was having like 30% off sale, 20 extra 10, ended up being 40, 50% off, right? And it was a lot of, how do I say, a lot of, you know, complications with shipping. Dang, this battery's about to die. Freak. Get a new battery real quick, y'all. All right, and we back. So back to these shorts. Yeah, I was originally gonna get a dust pair. These normally retail for around, I wanna say around like the 500 mark or whatever. Now I pay that. But like I said, I was originally gonna get the dusk pair, but I ended up switching to the black pair, which is the ones I really wanted. But they didn't have them at first until I ordered them. And after a couple days, because they didn't ship these for a couple days, until they updated their site and they had them all of a sudden. So I was like, I figure I'd message them and be like, yo, can I switch my order to, you know, the black pair, you know, for the same discount, yada, yada, yada. They were like, yeah, for sure. And I got these instead. So it's made out of a cotton broadcloth. So what I recently found out that it is a lightweight material that is lightweight, breathable, yet really durable and very strong actually. So yeah, they look extremely dope when I was looking at them in the mirror. They kind of really drapey, you know what I'm saying? Like when you look, if you're not like used to posture, when you look down, they kind of look like a skirt, but they're really short. It's just super long drop crotch, like it almost looks like one whole piece. But they're mad sick in my opinion. We'll show it on body right after this video. But yeah, we're gonna move on to, drum roll, the holy grail, these Ricks. I've been wanting to pair both of these actually. Some pod shorts for like a couple years, and now these Ramon. You're just gonna have to find out. I noticed that if you actually like try to buy something that's made in Italy from an Italian boutique, retail is always gonna be cheaper than most stores. That's the sauce for y'all, that's the sauce. Got these for a Mad Steel too. Try and get these open for y'all. Woo! We have ourselves here Dark Shadow. Y'all can see that. Yeah, buddy, yeah, buddy. All right. Moment of truth. Actually, let me open it up this way. I don't want y'all to see. Let me see. Let me see what I got. Let me see. Ooh-wee. Oh. That's that Rick. That's that big Rick energy right here. And here we have a tote bag. Dark Shadow tote bag. Mad clean. Mad amazing. Oh wow, it's a pretty decent size too. Oh yeah. For sure gonna be rocking this one. Fairly thick cotton-like canvas too. I'm actually kinda shocked. This actually is pretty dope. That's lit. Now, the piece de resistance. We have here the Rick Owens Ramon Abstract sneakers. If you guys are any, wow, these are amazing actually. Mad heavy though. Like these are clunky shoes. Yeah, so if you're familiar with the Rick Owens Ramones, these are the low tops, but in Summer 20 Taekwondo collection, he dropped these ones that come with an abstract looking sole. And if you're familiar with my previous videos, I love Chuck silhouettes with futuristic looking soles. These are incredibly crazy. Like these are mad freaking sick. Size 42. As you can see, you probably can't even see that in the back of the heel. But yeah, it says like size 42, made in Italy. Straight from Italy. And yeah, these are mad crazy. Calfskin toe box right here. I believe it's a cotton / nylon upper. Mad clean. Take this paper out here for you. Get this box out the way. All right, and you can see it's a leather insole, which I did not expect. Mad quality here. But yeah, so these are the Rick Owens Abstract sneakers. These are mad clean. Wow, they're heavy though, heavy duty. For sure. They retail for like around 6, 7. Again, did not pay anywhere near that. But pay like around 3 for these. So these are mad clean, mad steel. And I cannot wait to show you the on body, the bird's eye view, the look-see at the foot-see, you dig? Yeah, I've been wanting a pair of these for such a long time. These are incredibly crazy, incredibly massive, incredibly big Rick energy. Shout outs to Roy for the plugs too. If y'all don't know him, he's a YouTuber, his name Roy. He does a bunch of Rick reviews and stuff like that. Legit. Yeah, can't wait to try these puppies on so I can give y'all the real on body look. But yeah, that's it for this review. Stay tuned for the fit down breakdown and everything and its goodness. Love y'all. Peace.